Morning everyone, it's Nick here. We are going on a fun trip to Hawaii. It's currently, 4:51 in the morning. We're waiting for Min in our Toyota Sienna. Our flight, I always mess this up. 5 hours to California.
And then 4 to Hawaii?
4 to Hawaii. I'm super excited. Jasmine's super excited. Come join the fun.
Oh, that's creepy.
Is that weird?
I think you're just gonna end up cutting that.
I probably will. And here we go.
So we will see you later.
What's up, guys? We're here in Hawaii with the crew. Whoa, stop the film. Before I continue, I have to introduce you to the Hawaii crew. So first, if you've seen my channel before, this is my girlfriend Jasmine. We've been dating for over 3 years now, and at this point, she's pretty much the yin to my yang. Next, we have one of Jasmine's best friends, Kat, who, yes, in case you were wondering, is one of the coolest cats out there. And last but not least, to round out the trio of best friends, is Erica, who I met in college and who first introduced me to Jasmine. Now, let's get back to the video. We're about to get some ramen for our first night here, day one. Super excited. More to follow. So we just got to the Momo-san ramen and sushi. Michael! So we just got to the Momo-san ramen and sushi restaurant. I got a frozen Kirin. Cheers. Ooh. Alright, what do we think of Momo-san ramen and sushi? Out of 10, what do you think?
Ooh, that's hard. 8.5. 8.5? I was gonna say 8. 8. But we're at a solid 8.
For like.
I give it a solid 8.2.
Oh, we're getting
real Pacific.
But it was good.
Get the
nice
frozen
lighting.
beer.
Frozen beer was.
So it's day 2. We're here at Kamana Beach right now, just chilling. We went on a coffee run this morning. It's like absolutely beautiful out right now. It's like 80 degrees, sun shining. We're just gonna chill for a bit and then meet up with my cousin as well. He's gonna be hanging out with us for a little bit. This is my first time to Hawaii. This place is absolutely beautiful. We're gonna be here at the beach all day today, going hiking later on this week, and then we might do some touristy stuff later on this weekend. All right, we're at, what's this place called? We're at Barefoot Beach Cafe right now, getting some grub. I went with the swordfish plate, so did Kat, I think. And then you got the
Tofu poke.
Tofu poke, and then you got the acai bowl. Really good with. Is that how you say it? Acai?
Yeah.
Acai bowl.
Quinoa.
So, right by the beach with our friend. Camera shy.
No son capaces de nada, mantienen diciendo que lo que hay, y si yo les digo se asustan. Estar en la cima no es normal, la gente me odia porque soy original. Tanto falso que hay en esta humanidad, yo los entiendo y sé por qué así están. Es que Supreme es tan high que no tiene ningún rival.
Todo pecho frío se cría en el río, teniendo lo suyo, enseñando lo mío. Ahí donde empiezan toditos los líos, porque se comparan con el releo.
We back. We're heading to the beach right now to meet up with my cousin Shane. So we're gonna meet up with him and chill for a bit.
It was so nice.
stop on the tour is Aloha Beer Company with the cuz.
Oh, you have to do this now. We're here.
Guys, so we've been driving around Hawaii with my cousin, and look at this tree.
It's a rocket. We have questions. We have so many questions.
It's literally in someone's house, like front yard. Like, that's crazy. It is day 3, and my cousin Shane is taking us to this secret waterfall here in Hawaii.
No chicken.
Peachy on me.
We made it to the secret waterfall. Am I the only one going in? They're all going in.
Should I put my shirt on?
No. Next stop on the Hawaiian tour, we're going to visit the Pearl Harbor Memorial, and we're gonna watch a quick little movie.
We showered. Can you show that, please? Please.
Everyone showered.
Just like evidence that we should. Please let them know that
we were all muddy earlier today. Hopefully I can bring the camera in. I'm not entirely sure. Try to bring you guys in,
Just
but
let you
we'll
bring in
see.
your camera.
What did everyone think?
Very nice tour. Yeah.
I think it was surreal just being there
Yeah.
where everything happened. Like, I've seen so many documentaries and movies about it, but just being there.
It's somber,
It's somber, that's a great word.
but the memorial's uplifting. I like that they kind of make it, you know, honoring the past, but looking forward to like the future.
Ditto to what she said.
Oh, baby.
Going to a happy hour that's about to be over.
Happy hour. Is it?
They didn't have the happy hour.
I don't think it's like a, yeah.
They just said like happy hour, like starts at sunset. So I just
at sunset?
I don't know what that is.
Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, they ain't gon' feed you. I been all on my grind, so why I need you. Baby girl love my bop and I like me too. No roof on my top and my babe see through. Hating on the pen, don't stop, they ain't gon' feed you. I been all on my grind, so why I need you.
My whole life I miss that magic of
Another beautiful day in Hawaii.
That was a beautiful opener.
Thank you. So we're here at the Dole Plantation. We're gonna get some pineapple juice,
Some Dole
pineapple,
Whip.
and see what this place is about. Let's go. Beachbox Cafe right now.
Ooh, I'm gonna
I
get
got
you
a veggie burger. You got something? I have no idea. We also got some juice, kind of detoxing right now because we've been eating a lot of fried food and stuff. Where are we at right now? North Shore? North Shore area is where we're at right now. We might see a bunch of surfers. This is where all the Hawaiian surfers come to surf. We're headed to Pipeline Beach. That's what it's called. So we made it to Yukai Beach. I believe that's what it's called.
Bonsai Pipeline.
Bonsai Pipeline. This is a beautiful spot. Yeah. All the palm trees. So we're gonna hang out here for a bit and surf and snorkel.
We're gonna surf?
Oh, no surf. No surf.
We're gonna watch other people surf.
We're gonna watch people surf and just chill and hang out.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not, there is a moment meant for us. And now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested, open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me, shadowing me, I won. Oh, the sky is on fire. The lake has turned to a golden sun. Oh, I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, just wanna run. I'll never get tired. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance.
Alright, we back. We just got home to the hotel, showered a bit. Now we're gonna go grab dinner. We're just gonna keep it chill tonight since we've been out all day. We're old people. We tired.
We used to be fun.
We used to be out and about, out till 3 o'clock in the morning, but now we have to fall asleep at 9 o'clock because we're old.
We do fall asleep at night. There is a time change.
But yeah, there is a time change. Chicago is 4 hours ahead of us. Right now it is 7:43. You do the math.
11:43.
It's almost midnight. I think we're going to a poke place right now.
Okay.
A Pokemon place right now. No, I'm just kidding. We're going to a poke place right now to grab some dinner and take it home. I almost ran into that little kid too.
I swear they never really understand me. I need a comment like I need a Grammy. She lays the flow with her designer panties. Yeah, we eating plenty, check the pantry from the sound waves to the rebel lines from the tattered bridges to expensive dishes.
Burke here at Diamond Head National Park? State Park? It's a park.
That sounds like me.
National Park.
National Park? State Park? What's this place called?
Well, the weather is beautiful.
There's a 30% chance it's already raining.
So, transition.
Fly with the stars, sound free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom, boom to the beat. Make it boom, 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 boom.
It is currently raining right now, and usually the rain lasts like about 10 minutes, right?
Oh, hello. Bye.
We made it to the top. So pretty much this is like a 360 view of Hawaii, and it is incredible. How do you feel now that you made it to the top?
A little moist.
How do you feel?
Crusty. Ew.
How do you feel?
Very refreshed. Oh, what she said. Changed my answer.
Well, that was a fun hike. Now we're on our way back down. This view, look at this. Like, come on.
If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid.
All right, we made it to the beach.
That's so cute.
Again. So yeah, we're gonna hang out here, kind of watch the sunset, and then call it a trip. Look at this view.
Yeah, I've been just picking up pieces of you. Think about how can I keep you? I've been just picking up pieces of you.
Oh, what a week it's been. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. Figured I would close the vlog while the sun is setting right now. Hope you guys enjoyed. Come to Hawaii if you haven't. It's a blast. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Peace.
Mom, I'm doing the split.
Flying with the stars for free. Party all day, every weekend. Make it boom boom to the beat. Make it boom 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 boom.
Is this a state park? Seriously?